Hey Delay, what's going on? Can you guys hear me all right? What's up? What's up? What's up? Delay, what's going on? Can you guys hear me all right? Nice, man. Fourth day of my funded futures. Nice. Kind of a bit of a trend day on the old markets today, huh? Tony Gold, what's up? Fred in the house. Amit, what's going on? What's up? What's up, guys? What's going on? Such a nice day. You had fun trading it? I didn't trade much. Traded a little bit this morning and that was it. I did blow one Buellnox account, but the other three are looking fine. All ready for another payout. Amelia, what's happening? Alfred in the house. Thought I was going down today. 600, finished the day up 150. Nice. I have not been. No, I got it all invested now. Not been trading any personal accounts. Yo, Chim, what's up? No, I'm not sick. Nope. Nope, not sick. Do I look sick? I'm tired, but no, I'm not sick. Zabak promoting that new prop firm is the end of oh yeah, it's probably because I'm using my laptop mic. Promise that new prop is the end for the Kellyanne. She ruined herself with that move. I have no idea. Pro Shop? I've never even heard of it. Yeah, it must be the mic. Amelia. Yeah, I'm using my laptop mic. Prop shop, huh? Prop shop sounds like a chop shop to me. No, I've never heard of it. Net Baba in the house. Good to see you guys. So I am going to be requesting a payout tonight. I don't know if I can show it or not. Let me see. I don't know if I can show. Can I show the? Yeah, been crushing the payouts. Gonna be requesting I got the two Buellnox payouts that should be hitting the bank Wednesday. And then I should be requesting another Buellnox payout this Friday. I should have been requesting two more Buellnox payouts, but I kind of screwed one up today. What's my strategy, Gator Trader? Full port. I did make a little strategy video if you guys want to check it out. if you haven't already over the weekend. Yeah, check it out, my videos. Sponsorship, what's up? It might be on the leader. Oh, nice, man. Shingo. I loaded the Ed of the Woods Harami on my chart. Oh, nice, Coach Fred. Thank you for checking out my video. Just gonna look at something on my funded futures real quick. Okay, yeah, I should be able to request. Rick Lake in the house. What's going on? Someone makes bank milking prop farms. Why would they care to trade live account if it ain't broken? Don't fix it. For sure, man. Yeah, those checks cash just as good to block, and it doesn't. It's a lot lower risk. Need one more day to request a payout on my XFA in Alfred. Nice, man. Boy, I still have that XFA curse going on. I don't know what it is. I gotta lock down some XFA money. Pass the trader funded. Nice. Dr. Phil in the house. What's going on? Only thing that matters is how much money ends up in your bank account. Prop world is casino. It's the house against the trader, and everyone knows that. Yeah, for sure. Sabak. Yeah, and that's the thing. It's just like it's such a low cost of to enter the futures market with the props. I mean, it really is. Up 1285 so far. Bought 3 more accounts, 3 more Apex accounts over the weekend, Eric. Nice, man. Using code PINE. I really appreciate the support, guys. So later this week, we will be doing a giveaway for 150K take profit trader account later this week. I'm really thinking Thursday night. Thursday night. So stay tuned for that. Get back to my regular computer, and then we can do a 150K take profit trader giveaway. Thursday. This coming Thursday night, turtle markets. That's what I'm thinking. Well, Eric, you're gonna have your chance to win one this Thursday. When I give away the giveaway, you will have to pay activation fee if you pass them, but still worth it if you pass it. And it's because you guys been using my code PINE, so really appreciate that, guys. Hey Kenny, what's up? I did okay. Locked in payout on this account, and then I hit DLL on the other Buy Funded Future account, and then Buell Knox. I ended up down slightly, but I didn't mind on my Buell Knox account on this one because I'm still above that 4,100 to request a $1,500 payout. So I did take a loss. I think I was down like $1,000, and then I just stopped myself. So I don't think I traded that well. It's really unfortunate that I did not trade well because I found myself kind of clicking buttons a little bit and not doing my own strategy. And you can see right here that the inside pars paid like crazy today for the first hour of the day. And I felt like I didn't really capitalize that well on them. After I was done trading today, I says, I was working out and I says, I really just got to stick to my own strategies instead of being more discretionary sometimes. Being discretionary is what gets me in trouble most of the time. So I'm really glad I locked in this payout, because if I didn't, then I felt like I could have got a little tilty being on a Monday. Yeah, I'm in a different room. A-team, yeah. Yep. Yeah, Amelia, exactly. That's exactly it. Sometimes the mind plays tricks on me, and I think Mondays too, you get excited to push the button sometimes, and I didn't trade last night for the turtle markets. I was off, so I did not, but I know that Amelia had shared it in the Discord. I guess it's a video with Daryl Martin. You think we pull back? It kind of feels like it, but man, market overall just super bullish after that. That opening drive was beautiful, and then we pulled back, and you can see it get bought up right here. And I noticed this volume spike right here, and yeah, we never looked back after that. But hopefully we get some action tonight. Hopefully it's not completely dead. That's what I'm hoping for. What's up, Kevin? Double O Kevin, what's up? What's up? What's up? Guys, smash the like button on your way in. Do me a favor. Let's do it tonight. Let's get it. The end of the day tariff news kept the pump momentum. Yeah. I have no thoughts on Pro Shop Trader. I haven't. I don't. Today's the first day I've heard about him. Chef Chris, what's up? Good to see you. Moment the market opens, I'm gonna short. Go to sleep. Good luck. Good luck. Pro Shop Trader, huh? A prop shop trader, right? Prop shop. Prop Trader Hub. That reminds me of something else. It's not Prop Trader Hub, is it? Hey, friendly G-Gen. Kega-san, what's up? No, not tonight, John. Thank you, Amelia. Check out this link Amelia just sent. So this is, all right, markets are opening up here. We'll take a look at this prop shop trader here in a little bit after the market's open. Market's opening up in 30 seconds. So we dropping or what? Here we go. Market's open, guys. It's actually gonna request this payout here. See if it works. Hasn't updated yet, I guess. All right, Mark's pushing down. Beware, Beelnox swing accounts cheat you out of your entry position. I think they got rid of all those swing accounts, didn't they, Zabak? They don't even have those anymore. I was looking at, I think they got rid of them, didn't they? The 10K. It's still there? Huh. Very nice little push down there. Pull him back. Alan M, what's up? This just ain't right. Yeah, I'm not sure why the My Funded Futures. Do I have to calculate the? Do I have to calculate the 90-10 split? Not sure why it didn't work. Okay, I'm under 40%. I'm up $2,500. I got 5 winning days. Why didn't it work? Honest take, what's going on? Roa in the house. But I've been noted that this didn't get rid of the stop loss. Huh. Oh, as soon as the market opens up, it kind of gets rid of the stop loss. Honest Take, use your code today to snag the 30% off the starters. Nice. Thank you, Honest Take. Yes, 30% off starter accounts. Yeah, I just tried to take the payout and did not work. Not sure why. I meet all the requirements. I don't know why. It said that something that Tradeovate didn't add up, but so I go to payouts here. Try it again. Oh, there we go. It worked this time. All right, payout submitted. We'll see how long it takes. So it's in this account there. Guys, it was instant. Instant payout. My Funded Futures. They already took it. They already took it out of the Tradeovate, I think. Yeah. Check my email. No, still leaves me with $1,300 of drawdown in that starter account, so that's not bad. But it doesn't owe me anything now, so we're good. Yeah, I literally already took it out. So it was up to 52, like 2,600. And it's already out. I'll take it. Yeah, Katie Lay. So yeah, if you guys are interested in my funded futures, use code Pine. Appreciate it. Appreciate the support. It's Royal Trades. What's up? Good to see you, man. Seven, what's up? What's going on? Yeah, Katie Lay. I mean, I wish all props paid out like that quick. I mean, Tradeify is really quick. Tradeify is fast. But my funded futures is still the fastest. All right, market kind of push it down a bit. Yeah, payout party worked, Fred. Payout party worked. How do I get my consistency rate up? What do you mean? As far as like, or down? You just gotta make more money. Is that what you mean, oh? Like, you like over 40% consistency or something? You need 40%? So where are you at right now? It's your largest winning day, so is what they calculated off from, so. So say you need $2,000, right? So your 1,000 would be 50% consistency, right? Yeah, you're good. 18% is good. Yeah, you're under the consistency. Yeah, oh, you're good. They just don't want it over the 40% consistency. Let's just say you needed $2,000 to get a payout, and you made $1,000, but your consistency was supposed to be 40%. Well, if you make $1,000 in one day, and you're at $2,000, then your consistency is at 50%, and that's too much. So you'd have to make a little bit more to get under the 40%. So yeah, you're good, oh. Consistency is basically like, it's preventing people from having these huge winning days and then just flipping the accounts until they get a payout. So we did put in an inside bar here. I am on my funded future account. Funded account. I'm gonna try this inside bar here. Break. Kind of wick down below it, but very tight stop. Probably should actually keep the stop at 200 bucks. Uh-oh, Coach Fred, breathing and relaxing. Breathing and relaxing. I know the good thing is, like, I know you, Fred, you got other prop firms that you're trading, so, which is good. You don't want to put all your eggs in one prop firm's basket, right? That's what Zero Day J says. And he's not wrong. Yeah, going down is actually good. Oh, that means you're staying really consistent with your winning days. Yeah, I guess there is a Derail interview. I haven't watched it yet. I did see that Amelia had shared it on the Discord, so I'll have to check it out. Buellanox is 40% consistency, but not for the 2,600 profit target. For a 50K account, it's actually 3,600 since they require $1,000 minimum payout request. Yeah. Yeah, the good thing is, but like with, yeah, Sun Park, you're right. So it's like the same thing with like with Apex, it's 2,600, but you can only request 600. And then with Buellanox, you got to get to 3,600, but you can request 1,000. 4,100 to request 1,500. Top steps your kryptonite. Nice 7. The reason why top step is probably your kryptonite is just a psychological barrier, knowing that there's no consistency, right? Not really. Once you're funded, and you try to push those winning days. So it's just a psychological thing. I'm dealing with the exact same thing lately. I have an XFA curse. Oh, nice, Eric. I haven't watched it yet. Disciplined trader in the house. Right. Yeah, keep it under 1,440, your goal. And even consistency can be a little bit of a trap. When you're having a really nice winning day, it's okay to sometimes keep pushing the consistency. But if you want to try to get that consistency under for the exact date of the payout, then you definitely want to kind of take those base hits per day. Can't pass the top step. I can pass them okay, but man, the XFA, I have the XFA curse. Last year, I got tons of payouts with top step. This year, I just can't seem to do it. I've never been able to get a payout with Buellanox till recently, and now all of a sudden I've got 1, 2, 3. Three coming, and then so I've gotten 3, and then I should have another one coming this Friday. Should request. Should. If I don't screw it up. You want a 24-hour market? Top Set has my number. Also, first prop I started with and still can't get a payout. Yeah, Kenny, they were the first I started with too, back in 2021. I've gotten lots of payouts with them, but this year I just can't seem to get anything going. No sleep, only trade. Okay, son. I was yelling a master account yesterday, thinking it was an eval. Ooh. It did work in your favor? Nice. So we are short here in this funded account, this my funded future starter account. I am in drawdown on this account, so it'd be nice to get a nice little head start on it. We'll see. I'm looking for 526. I'm looking for a 10-point push. That is an inside bar, Jack Boom. Yeah, I'm risking 10 points as well, so I'm risking 200 bucks. And wood chip, what's going on? Full port short. I'm short 4 micros, thinking of adding. Yeah, I'm not gonna add mine just because we're not getting the momentum. But we'll see. I mean, I think the short could work. I mean, if we can push down into this gap. But yeah, we'll see. It's definitely not going anywhere fast. Joker is long, 2,324 minis. Safety reserve, 52,600. Oh, yeah, on Bulanox. No, it's 3,600. You gotta get 3,600. Oh, but you're over the trailing threshold though. So now your account is static, which is awesome. Taylor, what's up? I'm doing all right, man. Alfred's requesting 5K today. Let's go on an XFA. 2,600 is the trailing. Oh. That means that's the trailing drawdown. Let's give it up for Alfred. Requesting 5K from XFA, taking that Michael Patak money. I love it. Sabak needs a buck. It means that it's not going to trail your drawdown's not going to trail anymore. Oh, so you have 2,600 or 2,800 of drawdown, so it's not going to trail anymore. See the MLL? It's 50,100. So like that's how much drawdown I have. I have $4,140 of drawdown on this account. And it stopped at 2,600 where it didn't trail me as, because intraday it'll trail you during the day if you're in a winning trade. So. Yeah, it's a good spot to be in. Do you think it's related to the watch family? I'm not sure what you mean, Findy. Jonathan, what's up? I missed something. Oh, let's see. Oh, I got it in top messages again. I gotta go into all messages. The longest account I've ever had, Katie Lay, is probably this Bulenox account that's been funded. Um, I've had this account since the 29th of May. Believe it or not. So not that long. Skog, what's up? Yeah, and then kind of taking base hits, Katie Lay, for sure. Yep. And being able like to not, you like a My Funded Future account, if you get up to 1,300, you can request 1,200 bucks. Bulenox, you have to get up to 3,600 to request 1,500. So, I mean, 4,100 to request 1,500. So, it's a lot of drawdown. So I've already taken one payout on that account too. So, yeah, I definitely had a bad losing trade today on it. $1,000, 1,100. But I'm still at. Thankfully, I'm still at the 4,100, and I think I'm at day 8. So I should be able to request SPY. I'm hoping to request this Friday again on that account. I'm hoping. We're just chopping the view off right now. It's picking no direction at the moment. Love to see it make new session lows, at least on this candle. Got about 40 seconds, but it doesn't look like it. Have I seen the Waymo driverless cars? I have. I think I saw them. I saw one in Vegas, I think. I think that was a driverless car. You have them everywhere in Arizona. They're literally everywhere. Have you ever taken one, Taylor? Well, I saw a car that I've never seen today. A Polestar. It's one of those electric car called Polestar. I've never seen one before. I was like, what the heck is that? And then I saw the little decal down on the bottom, and I was like, Polestar? A bit nerve-wracking, I bet. Ain't that bad, Stephen Garmin? I've never taken one. I mean, we barely have Ubers where I live, so... like, literally. I heard... Yeah, that's what someone told me, that they were out of business, Polestar. But yeah, no, I saw one today. It must have been an older one. There we go. Nice little start. So took 10 points on that My Funded Futures funded account. So nice little start to that. Yeah, Swedish car. Yeah, that's right. Cage. Yeah. Gold is being insane right now. No awkward conversations with the drivers. Yeah, that is a plus. I do like that. I don't know. I don't know when we'd see those up in Maine. I mean, I feel like I'm in the old contract, ain't I? What's going on? Isn't gold work? What am I doing wrong? GCQ. Is that right? What am I doing wrong? Huh. Getting delayed data on gold for some reason. Yeah, I'm getting delayed data on gold. It's weird. All right, let's take a look at this pro shop real quick. Limitless trading, multiple platforms. Do they have trade of 8? Quantower, Rhythmic, Tick Blaze. Is that their Tick Blaze must be their like X platform? I don't know, guys. I'm sticking with the big 6 for me for now. I mean, like Alfred just took 5K from Top Step. I mean, and I know he's gonna get paid. I just took $1,200 out of my funded futures. I got paid instantly. I don't know. I'm just gonna like. Oh, that's crazy. You know, I said Uber earlier. I just said Uber, and then I got an alert for Uber. My phone's listening. Tell my funded futures to pay their bills. Yeah. Oh, because the gold delayed. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Take profit trader. I took and I took a losing trade in take profit trader. I'm doing a systematic trade. So we'll see. I'm actually taking. I'm doing an experiment on the 5-minute orb with the Take Profit Pro account on one of them. Yeah, Jonathan trades. Yeah, for sure. Stay away. So many good stable firms. Why jump to new things? Yeah, ace mentorship. Yeah, for sure. Not enough spice for me to touch NYPM. No catalyst whatsoever. The new Top Step dashboard is updated already, allowing you to request now. Oh, that's awesome, Halford. I don't have the new dashboard yet, Top Step. I requested for it, but never heard anything. Daryl, what's up? Starter accounts. Those are my favorites. Got you again, man. Unless you're like a really good trader, then or looking to possibly go live, then I would recommend the expert accounts. But the starter accounts, not even the starter plus, really. I mean, starter plus is great too, but they still cap you at payouts. I think at 1,200 for 50Ks still. So, but there is no consistency, so you can actually grow a nice bigger buffer, the plus account, which is nice. But you can still grow a pretty good buffer with the starter accounts. I mean, the starter accounts, I mean, really, if you make $1,300 in 5 days, you can request $1,200. It kills the account, but you can actually do it. So to me, it's one of the easiest props to get a payout on. Prop accounts is my Fund Future starter accounts. So, red candles in the house. What's up, man? Good to see you. You're late. But yeah, I appreciate you guys using my code PINE. I actually reached out to my Fund Future support because I wasn't getting credit for things. So it appears I did get some credits for people buying accounts today. So I appreciate it. Short in the market? Yeah, we just got out of a short on this starter funded account here. That's how you can tell they're funded accounts. It says SFS. Just making that clear because I've been getting criticism, people saying I don't trade funded accounts on stream anymore. So I was like, during the overnights, it's like, but I do want to get back to doing a little more streaming during the day too. I gotta get back to it. You guys deserve it. Starter accounts? Yeah, red candles. So starter accounts. So I'm gonna eat some mixed nuts. Some cashews, almonds, and pistachios. So starter accounts. I don't know, Labradabra. I heard that today too. Oh yeah, thank you. So starter accounts, all you have to do is trade them for 5 days, make $100 or more on those 5 days, stay under 40% consistency, and you can, if you make it to $1,300, you can request $1,200 max payout. It nukes the account, but you can actually do it. I mean, I don't recommend just turning and burning the account, but technically you can do it. So I don't know, Labradabra. I got gold. Data is delayed on gold right now, so it could be a trade evade issue. And this is my funded futures, so I can actually sign in to. Let me sign into my take profit trader. I'm signing into my take profit trader here real quick. See if I got any delayed data on this too. No, it's fine on my take profit trader. Look how weird that is. Let me refresh. These nuts. 7. Red candles. What are my funded future starter accounts right now? Like 90 some bucks, right? Or are they? Let's see if there's any deal. If you use code PINE, they are. Well, you get 50%. If you've never had a My Funded Future account, red candles, then you get 50% off off any of the accounts. No activation fee either if you use code PINE. So there's that. I kind of forget about that 50% all the time. New camera angle. This is my good side. Honest Take says they're 87 bucks, but they are 50% off. So if you've never had a My Funded Future account, it should be 50% off. Monica, today was okay. Locked in the payout. Did hit DLL on my XFA and DLL on this My Funded Future account right here. So, but we locked in. We got a payout today, so not all bad. Just started some TPT Pros accounts today. Had no delayed data at all. Debt 5. Yeah, I traded take profit today, and I didn't have any data issues either, but some people did. Okay, I got a 5-minute inside bar here. Thank you, Red Candles. Appreciate the support, man. You're the best. Yeah, no activation fees. Supposedly it got you again, man. Yeah, that's right. There is no activation fee with My Funded Futures. It's 50% off, Butch, if you are a new user for My Funded Futures. Monica, I like the 25Ks, but 50Ks and 25Ks are my favorite. 25Ks, I mean, you only have to make 1,500 bucks. So Alfred's, so it's got to be a, Alfred, are you on Tradeovate? It's got to be a Tradeovate issue because I'm having data delays. Oh, all right, it's fixed now. Nope, I'm still having data delays. Take a little stab long here. Tight stop. Really tight stop. Only risking 40 bucks. We did break the 5-minute inside bar on NQ, but we didn't on MNQ, so we'll see what happens. Although, I usually like to take the first one when it's 2 consecutive. Oh well, we're in it now. Yeah, someone else I knew was having issues too on his take. Trade of eight. Yeah, Alfred. Yeah, I think it's a trade of eight issue. Oh, you're having the same thing with Rhythmic? Okay, double Kevin. Yeah, I was having an issue with trade of eight gold for some reason on My Funny Futures, so some weird things going on. Benefit of full-time day trading is that you never have to work technically. I can play video games to like the market conditions, hop back in. Yeah, for sure. I passed the 75K. I think I will get a pro account tomorrow, maybe. Not sure today. Yeah, man. Sorry, I call everyone man. Monica. Congratulations on the passing the 75K. That's awesome. I've never had a 75K, but that's great. It doesn't really matter. They're all great. I sent a ticket on the live chat this morning on TPT. Oh, okay. Yeah, so I had a bit. Oh, so I had a bit of a glitch on my Take Profit Trader Pro account. Wow, really? Gonna kick me in the tick there? I didn't get the credit, so the no activation fee. So on Friday, I had passed the account. And then on Sunday night, I went to activate the pro account and there was no credit. And then I submitted a ticket and then all of a sudden it popped up this morning. So just be aware, guys, like just be careful with that. Because if you use my code PINE, there's no activation fee on those Take Profit traders once you pass them. So just make sure the credit is down there. Don't pay the activation fee. And sometimes the credit doesn't show up for some reason. So there's a bit of a glitch in the dashboard. Yeah, if you use rewards points, you do pay activation. Yep, Joker. Yep. The only thing that I do, Monica, if I'm trading aggressively, I'll trail the stop very quickly, but just keep doing what you're doing. I mean, you passed the 75K account. I mean, just keep trading that same edge that you're working on. So what I'll do sometimes if I have on Take Profit Trader on the small account, so like on a 25K account, if I'm trading minis, I'll trade, if I get in that trade and it immediately goes my way, then I'll trail my stop pretty quickly to keep that intraday trailing from getting me. No, Micah, I don't. No, I was kind of like just thinking I was going to scale in. I was trading this first trade, I took a mini on this short. On the funded account, but we do the same thing, Joker. Yeah. But like trading a Take Profit Trader, like this account cost me $105. Essentially, it almost feels like trading a funded account because I don't want to lose it. It's not like trading one of these $15 Buellnox evals. You know, so I try to trade it a little more patiently. I try. Stacked a bunch of payouts. Ended up paying 139 for 25K. I was pissed. Exactly what happens to you. Yeah, Taylor, for sure. Yeah, you can't just, I mean, you start YOLOing those $100 accounts, 100, or if you get 150, what is it? Take Profit Trader 150K, it's gonna cost you like 200 bucks, 200 something bucks. So, yeah, Kenny, I never cancel my $15 Buellanox accounts. So yeah, these are all $15 Buellanox accounts. Uh, I never cancel those. Because they're recurring. Why so wiki? Yeah, I know. 17 days. What's up, TCG? 17 days XFA Top Step took 2,900. Thursday blew 5 XFAs in April trying to get back on track. Nice, man. Took 2,900 though. Payout. That's great. Recurring and reset upon payment. Yeah, it's so when they rebill. So if I fail, so it's $15 Buellanox accounts. I usually trade them super aggressively to try to pass them, and so yeah, so every month they rebill at the 90% off. What does Buellanox have any sale going on right now? I'm just checking. I only have one monitor right now, so sorry. We are in a long. Let me just sign into my Buellanox here. Really appreciate you guys using my code PINE through that 90% off. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you got some accounts passed and are working on your master accounts. Yeah, it's just 75% off Buellanox right now. So 75% off Buellanox. Not great, but they are 75% off the end of days. So this, yeah, the end of days are also 75% off, but yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a better deal. I think we're probably gonna see that 81% off deal if I had to guess. Um, hopefully it'd be 81% off the end of day accounts too. That'd be nice. Yeah, win some, lose some for sure. Mine will recur this month. I had 13 of them. Nice red candles. Yeah, that's the key. Is you know, keeping those 90% locked in, and then I like to have like a good rotation of accounts going. I mean, I don't like to blow my accounts, but I like to have always be working on a eval or something like that. Nice 7. I will for sure. But yeah, you can use code Pine on all the props right now, except Tradeify. Tradeify will not give me a code yet. You have to use my lank, and then I gotta actually change that. It's not code spring anymore. You have to use the default code. But targeting on personal, I haven't been trading the personal account, Monica, at all. I have it all invested in JetQ right now, paying me dividends. So I'm making about 1,200 a month in dividends right now, something like that. And then I just have it enrolled in drip, drip, drip. Got one pass, failed paying the 140 for the funded account. So sad. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, Apex PAs are $100 lifetime activations. Yes, for all accounts. So thank you, Taylor, and appreciate using my code Pine on that. Yeah, I wouldn't either. My cut trades for sure. So when you're hitting up the old Hampton Beach, Trev, I haven't been to Hampton Beach for a long time. I'm gonna exit this trade. Actually triggered another a short here. So I'm actually gonna flip the switch. So when I'm in a position and it doesn't quite go my way, and then we put in another inside bar or Harami, then I am gonna try to flip the switch on it. I haven't been doing that lately, so thank you, Double O Kevin. Appreciate the support, man. Use the hell out of code Pine on Beelanox. Taking Pine for a ride, taking Beelanox for a ride, I hope. I have a stack of Beelanox a few dollars away from passing, like to keep an arsenal. Yeah, for sure, man. Taylor, yes, sure. It's been forever since Apex was that low on the lifetime. Yeah, that is low. I don't know what happened to my music, but it's gone. Hmm. Streamlabs. Streamlabs messing up. There it goes. I hate this entry. Wanted more upside push. Earlier, I was watching a streamer. The stream terminated for violation. Really? What do you think the violation was? Who? You mind saying who it was? You don't have to. It wasn't 0 day, was it? You long gold, Nick? Well, hopefully that's good for my short on NASDAQ. Currently short 521. I smash the like button on your way in. I really appreciate it. We got, let's see, 137 people watching. That's awesome. I can't believe that we're averaging over 100 people on these turtle market streams. It's awesome. Really appreciate the support, guys. Stay tuned this Thursday. Turtle markets. We're gonna do 150K take profit trader giveaway. So stay tuned for that. I need to wait to get back to my regular PC, so well, I'd like to anyway. It just makes it easier to do the moose race. The meese race. Wow, I didn't like that. I don't like running stops like that and immediately pushes back up. Thank you, Red Candles. I hope so, Lobber, but I did not like that push up there. We ran those stops, and then now it looks like we might push up to the VWAP, possibly. We'll see. We might get a little lucky. We are rejecting off that 525. Christopher Campbell, what's going on, man? I have so many Campbells that live in my town. Tons of Campbells. I live in a small town, so it's like... It's okay, we're down 54 bucks. I had a real tight stop on that. Down 54 bucks, up 195 on this my funded future account. And but yeah, down 54 bucks on this eval, but these take profit evals to me are like funded accounts. So that's one way I look at funded accounts too, guys, is like, what am I risking on that funded account? I know you guys have heard this before, but it's for like new traders, like to alleviate some of the anxiety about a funded account is that you got to look at it like, what am I really spending on this account? What am I really spending on risking on this trade? It's what you invested into that account. You know, that's the nice thing about prop firms. If you have $10,000 in a Trade account or something, personal account, and you place a trade, essentially your risk is the whole $10,000 on that account. It can be. If you go on tilt, which a lot of people do. But, you know, with a prop account like that, you know, it's like, well, I'm risking $105 on this funded account because that's what I have invested in it. So it's kind of one of the things that helps me psychologically. Not to say that, like, you know, you just YOLO the account. It's like I'm not risking $500 of real money, $1,000 of real money, or paper money. Monopoly money is what you've seen on the screen. So it's one of those psychological tricks. So we rejected off that VWAP there. Hey, Sports Don, what's going on, buddy? Good to see you guys. Glad everyone's stopping in. Sorry I was not on last night. The WAP, the VWAP. Yeah, that's right. Look at that rejection of the VWAP. You almost unsubscribed because I didn't stream. It's a pretty bullish candle there. I'm hopping along here. All right, Daryl. It is the luckiest code on the prop streets from what I hear. So thank you so much, Daryl, for using my code. Let me see if I get credit for it. Because I've been having problems with that. I did. I got credit for it. Thank you so much. And I also got that money from my funded futures in my Rise account, the Payout. So it's already in my Rise account. It's been in my Rise account for over an hour. So yeah. All right, lost 10 points on that. All right, I'm gonna wait for another inside bar or a harami. So just what I was doing today is going on that discretion. So, oh, thank you, Sports Don. The payout party was too short. Literally, if you guys are just tuning in, I requested a My Funded Future payout on stream, and it was instantly, and I'm talking instantly, taken out of my Trade Evade account for approval. So I've never seen it that fast. I've seen it pretty fast, but never that fast. Still like the long here. I felt like my stop was too tight. It was a very poor entry. Now we wait. Gold is still data is still being delayed. Is anyone else my funded futures data are delayed on gold still? Weird. Showed how to fix it in the Discord? Huh. My funded futures Discord? Oh, I see. All right, I'll read it off. If you're delayed on if you're experiencing delayed data for any trading instrument, please follow those steps to resolve the issue. Navigate the billing page, click on view market data under the Trade of 8 subscriptions, click upgrade. Select your desired exchange for data access. CME level 1 is enabled by default. You may choose any level exchange for your data needs. Level 2 data coming soon. The level 2 market data will be available for purchase in the coming days. Interesting. It's that inside bar break. Damn it. That was a tricky one. I didn't know if it was going to quite make that inside bar. I was right about the direction, just poor execution. Grab another water. Yes, Joker. We'll wait for the next one. We'll wait for the next one. I think we could sweep that wick up there. 537s. So we'll wait to see. Just I took it for me. Thank you, buddy. Gold also kind of grinding higher as well. It's just joking. You are the Joker, man. You made packing a bowl. That's funny. This is gonna throw up. Yeah, it's kind of rejecting there, isn't it? 535 is putting in a bit of a harami candle. Might actually take this. I don't know. It's not giving me a very good R&R now, but oh really, Coach Fred? Yeah, they've asked me to come on. I don't know. They've asked me to go on My Funded Futures TV, but I just we'll see. I don't like anticipating like being scheduled for that kind of stuff. I get very anxious about it. That's cool. We're looking forward to seeing Cove on there. It's kind of tricky pattern right now. I don't really know what to think about it. Design, what's up, buddy? Only go protect thy fundeds, yeah. Oh, looking at this short there. Yeah, I'm questioning it too, Joker. Yeah, kind of questioning it myself. I don't know why, but I mean, really, I mean, we are pretty choppy. I mean, we wicked above there, but really, it's just a 15, 20 point range. I guess you could call it 20-point range for the last, I don't know, 35, 40 minutes. I guess I'm gonna have to do it, Coach Fred. Here's that break that we were looking at. There it goes. See, this didn't trigger the Harami on the Ed of the Woods indicator because it wasn't in the body. So this body didn't open and close within the body of this candle, but it is within that candle. So yeah, I mean, short? I don't know. I feel like I'm chasing though now. I feel like I'm chasing. Yeah, I think we definitely could break lower for sure. And Joom here. Wood chips full port short. Gold also. Yeah, it's just kind of grinding higher. I'm gonna be patient and wait for another setup. Rico, what's going on? Do full port 25K accounts on TPT? No, not lately. Nico, I did back when we were having that volatility. What, a few months ago when we were having like 200-300 point candles. Yeah, those were nice. But no, not lately. If I do, I will trade 2 minis, and I will add to the winning, like a winning trade. I'll try. But I still trade minis, so on a funded account, Nico, on the pros, even on 25Ks. So currently down 264 on this take profit account, and then 195 up 195 on this starter funded account, my funded futures. Double inside bars in the 15 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that. You're doing so well with them until things slow down. Yeah, me too. You don't like to get stuck on one time frame. Yeah, I hear you there. Yeah, same thing with me, Nico. Definitely had to make some adjustments to the market. I haven't been going for as big of winning days. So I've just been kind of hitting the base hits. So like on this master account here, I did take a pretty big hit today. But you can see like the calendar besides today. Today was ugly. Um, you know, 400, 600, $500 days on this master account. So that's kind of what I've been trying to do with like most of all the accounts. The My Funded Future account that I got today, I think was pretty much the same way. Or I got a payout on today. I was kind of doing the same thing. A couple $100 a day. I kind of even gone back to the base hit thing a little bit. Just because of the market conditions for me. $35 contracts long, Tigers. Good luck, Tiger. Let's go. Possible an inside bar here on the 5-minute. Yeah, no problem, Nico. He has a long bias. Yeah, he's probably looking to scalp that long up to the VWAP or something. But I mean, overall, since basically almost like MOC, we've been fading. So, but who knows? We did leave a gap up here. 550s to 544, so not much, like a 5-point gap. We'll see what this inside bar does. I'm enjoying Stock Tiger. Break off this inside bar, we'll see what happens. Stop just below. If I can stop that on this one, I'm gonna move to a different account. I don't want to get too far enough. Never mind. Whoa! Here we go. That's why you gotta have your stops in place, guys. That's why you gotta have your stops in place. No such thing as market randomness, right? Holy moly. All right, what news headline came out? Check the Trader Hub. I got nothing yet coming across the Trader Hub. You just made 450. Nice, dude. You know what it was? It just ran Stock Tigers. All his probably had 350 contracts on. Oh, you like a soft breach on that? Yo, Jim. I don't know. Some sort of news. I'm guessing. Yeah, it could have been a super slap. I would be willing to bet it was some sort of headline. I'm guessing. Was it a Trump tweet? Or truth? A truther? Truth tweet? Truth tweet. Hey, oh, nice work, man. Yes, you can actually, yo. Um, so here's all right. Oh, so or actually to anyone, here's a trick, guys. Billinox, they don't have payout windows, but if you request a withdrawal on Fridays, they will process it on Wednesday. So you'll actually get your payout on Wednesday. So if you request on a Friday, you'll get paid on Wednesday. Because they do their processing on Wednesday. So when I requested Billinox on last Friday, it says my payout date is June 4th, which is this following Wednesday. So there's a little trick there. But they don't have payout windows or anything, so it's just if you requested like today or tomorrow, they're not going to process it this Wednesday. They're going to wait till the following Wednesday. So they're going to be waiting a while. So June 4th, that's right. He's going short on that? Oof. I'm staying out right now. We could run that gap now. That had to have been some sort of headline, right? Were you guys serious? Was it a Trump tweet? Because, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised, but... Eric's up 1,000. Nice work. Twitter fingers must be antsy. Yeah, I think so too. Done for the night. See you all later. Thank you, Brian. Enjoy the rest of the night. Hope you have a good night. Yes, that's right, Amelia. If you request today, you won't get paid till next week. Oh, congratulations, man. Yeah, I think you locked in the payout. Oh, from what I'm hearing. Congratulations, buddy. But just remember, like, so Billinox and most accounts, like, you have to show that you're trading that account. So every 5 business days, make sure you place a trade. So even if you're waiting for a payout, I'm not 100% sure on this, but like, make sure you like at least flip a day or so. So, you know what I'm saying with flip? Like, just go with one micro with like, when the market's super slow and just get in and out of a trade real quick. That counts as a trading day. So with most prop firms, guys, is like, if you don't trade, if your account goes inactive for like 5 days or more, they could get rid of the account. So anyways, I'm always paranoid about that. It's made 1,200, 2 cons on that long. Nice. Damn, I feel so bad for Tiger. He blew it funded and shorted at the bottom on another funded and just blew. Yeah. Yeah, I've been there. Oh no. Tiger. He's tilting. I hate to see that. Yeah, I'm just saying, like, just make sure that you got plenty of days. You're gonna get that payout, man. I'm so happy for you. But just make sure that if you're not gonna trade that account, which, you know, I'm sure you're not gonna trade that account, like, don't let your account go inactive for a long time, you know? Because like if you requested tomorrow, it's gonna be next Wednesday. It would be of next week before they. So it'll be on the 11th before they process it. So, but congratulations, man. It doesn't really matter. Like, you locked it in. So, I'm so happy for you. I love, this is like, we've seen people get their first payouts on this stream a bunch in the last week or so. So, it's been awesome. I love seeing that because it feels so good getting that first payout. But yeah, man, lock that in. Make sure all your orders are canceled, and with the excitement sometimes. But yeah, it's all uphill from here. Once you start getting a taste of those payouts, man, they just start rolling in. Once it starts to click. Yeah, that was quite the wick, guys. Hey, what's going on? How's it going? That wasn't quite an inside bar, was it? No, we actually breached the high. Welcome to the stream, Aya. I also don't. If anyone subscribed, like, and I didn't call you out, like, I'm sorry, but thank you for the support. I can't really see it on the Streamlabs because I'm on my one monitor. So, oh, cool. Yeah, I used to see you all the time on Volatility's channel, right? You used to hang out on Volatilities, or you still hang out on Volatilities, I believe. I'll hop in a short here. Really small. Just 2 micros. Two micros because of the size of these candles. Gold pulling back, whatever that was. The Volatility Gaming channel, yes, marbles! Exclamation point marbles in the chat, guys. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. No marbles. We will do a moose race though next Thursday for 150K take profit trader account. So look for that. All about marbles, that's right. I like volatility trading. Hey Pine, I'm wondering if anyone else had any issues with take profit trader today. I reset 2 accounts on Saturday and I'm not able to take a trade at them. Yes, so there has been a problem with the data. Oh, did you reset and did you go to your credit bank? Van Lee? if you reset the account, you have to, I think they're in the credit banks, maybe, sometimes. But yeah, just reach out to support. There has been some data issues and stuff too with Trade so we're in a short here. You've been unable to trade TPT since 520. Oh, that's about five dice are out. That's crazy. Got a nice little short going on here. Two micros, probably gonna work out. I'm gonna wish I was in the one mini, but that's all right. Same on TPT. I had to reach out several times and no support given. That's so weird, Janica. Yeah, I prefer 5 minute. I've been trading 5 minute since 2021. So yeah, it's just something. It's just what I started to trade on. I think I started to trade on the 5 minute because of like Tom Hugard and Al Brooks. That's why reason why I think I stopped. I mean, that's why I started trading the 5 minute. Every once in a while, I'll look at the 1 minute on this little crossover thing, but do you prefer trade? I read that. Sorry. I reached out to support several times and emailed them multiple times and haven't heard anything back yet, which is very strange. That is very strange, Dan Lee. TopStep is having issues as well. It's gotta be something to do with the data providing or something. And they charge for a renewal on the count of 521. I have no idea what's going on with their dashboards, guys. And their account activations. Oklahoma Thunder at Pacers. I'm gonna go with Pacers. I don't know. Once the Celtics got knocked out, I was like, I ain't looking at it. Smokey, what's going on? Nice. 5,000 locked in. Let's go. Michael Benny, how do you, what the heck happened with the price? I'm not sure. Someone said that there was a tweet, but I don't know. I'm looking at the accounts here, the Trader Hub for news. I'm not seeing anything, so could have been just a big player. But it's nice. I'm more relaxed since I kicked 1 minute chart. It's been 5 minute and 15 minute. Oh, nice, Islana. Don't believe Pine says he trades the 5 minute but turns around and trades the 5 seconds on the phone app. Yeah, that's right, Coach Fred. No. For real. You were getting the truck wash while trading. It's the best job in the world, isn't it, Smokey? Holy, just nailed another 400 off the... Nice, Eric. Thunder and 5. Yeah, Thunder is really good, I heard. Sports Dawn, yeah, for sure. I used to just collect Reggie Miller basketball cards when I was a kid. Indiana Pacers. So we're currently in the short here, file 513. Off kind of an inside bar, but it did wick above it. So technically it's kind of a Harami candle. So we could be in this trade for a while. We'll see. I think the big players got in. Oh, it could be, yeah. I was up on all props earlier, then the Trump got me on one of them, 50-point rips on the NQ. Yeah, I was in a long off this inside bar and had to stop just where my entry is actually right now. And it that news scandal, whatever came in and just completely wiped me out. But it was a good lesson on why you actually have stops in place. So currently down unrealized 493 on this account. Currently up 195 on the funded starter account, and that's it. That's all we got going on so far tonight. Thank you, Eric. Appreciate the support, man. All right, pushing back up to the VWAP. Stop is above. It's at 540, 545. I had to place a very wide stop, so I only went in with 2 micros. So if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But raining. Heard thunder and lightning. I stopped right at the 50% of the 1 hour fair value gap, then sold off. The strategy has been working so well. I trade off the 50% range inside the 1 hour fair value gaps. Oh, nice, man. 40-point minimum trades. Nice, Michael. Yeah, Terry trades on, she uses the 5-minute chart, but then she uses the 1 hour a lot. She looks at the 1 hour and then drops down. Yeah, Fred, I am out of the woods right now. For sure. Yeah, same weather. Yeah, sounds pretty brutal out there. Got you again, man. You're in it with me. Good luck. Good luck. You guys talking about Ben and Jerry's? I had Ben and Jerry's today. Of course I did, right? I gotta stop with the ice cream though. I gotta stop. I did get a workout in today, but probably not enough to out eat the Ben and Jerry's though. Number two, I use the 1 hour and 15-minute fair value gaps into the smaller time frame. They work as good as daily highs and lows. Really good. Yeah, I used to for a while I was using the 1 hour on gold. I was watching the 1 hour. Halo Top? Yeah, I like Halo Top too. I haven't had ice cream in 2 days. Ice cream's so good. It's definitely one of my vices. Coffee, yeah, I do love coffee ice cream. There's a local shop, Fielder's Choice, here in Maine that makes homemade ice cream. A coffee ice cream. I think it's a coffee peanut butter twist. Soft serve. It's delicious. Put chocolate jimmies on that. So good. Yes, I call them jimmies and not sprinkles. What is it? What do you guys call them jimmies or sprinkles? Just like I don't say pop. I know like a lot of people say pop for soda. I don't say pop. Sprinkles, of course. Yeah, I say jimmies. Soda. I also been told I use it. It's funny because I don't use R's, I use AH's, but then I'll say soda. So I'll say soda and not soda. But then I'll say ka for car. So I'll say ka. So I use R's where they're not supposed to be. Trucker Scott. I know that. You know another item that are called jimmies. You say sprinkles cas. Best ice cream I ever had, Jenny's sweet cream biscuits and peach jam. That sounds really good. Yeah, I saw that at the prop shop, Michael Benny. I did see that. Yeah, I'm staying away for now. I don't know. That's just me personally. But yeah, I did see that. It's the first I've heard of it today, so be interesting. Yeah, prop shops. It just reminds me, when I hear prop shop, I hear chop shop. But I'm sure they're fine. I don't know. We'll see. Sodies. I, I, yes, 7. Sodies. All right, nice push down here, up about 13 points. Smoky Mountain from Mayfield, best ice cream hands down. Nice. Yeah, I mean, I'm a classic Ben and Jerry's person, but it's my go-to grocery store one. But yeah, we have some local shops too. We also have like what they call Giffords around here. But Fielder's Choice is a little local shop, it's really good. Waiting for Kellyanne to be the guinea pig on the prop shop. Yeah. They don't have Trade of 8, so... But neither does Beal and Ox. And Beal and Ox pays. So we'll see. Beautiful kind of a bear flag break off the inside bar. Anytime you see this setup right here, this is not why we got in this trade, but we got in on this kind of a harami candle. This is a very good setup. So if you ever see like a bear flag or a bull flag, and then it's putting in a flag pattern like this on the 5-minute chart, and then you see an inside bar, and the next break of it, kind of like two strats into one. Very good setup. Very good setup. I've seen this a bunch. Nice trade, up about 20 points in this trade. I'm just gonna leave it alone because we are because I'm in 2 micros too. Of course. The trade of the night right now is I'm in tiny, but I kind of had to. I mean, the stop went up to 545, which is 125 points, 125 bucks. But I guess because I was already down on this account, so it is a 25K. I'm already down 400 bucks. Ben from Ben and Jerry's got arrested. Oh, really? For what? Protesting, probably. I don't know. I know they get political and stuff. I don't. I just know their ice cream's good. It's delicious. All right, continuing to push down here below 21,500. Did we take back that wick? What do you think? I lost 1,204 counts this morning. Oh, Moses. Yeah, it's not hard to do. I hit I had $1,000 loss on my funded futures on one of the accounts, on this account actually. I hit a daily loss limit, so actually it was like 1,200, and then I lost 1,000 in this account, and then I stopped myself because this account is right at payout. So, but yeah, but hopefully you didn't blow the accounts, Moses. I mean, that's the key. You stopped yourself, hopefully. I can't forget Bud Light, but I still eat Ben and Jerry's. Oh, Bud Light's gross anyway. Sorry. I stopped drinking Bud Light just because I think it's gross. That's why I stopped drinking Bud Light. I like local IPAs and stuff. I called the wick early in the chat. Thank you, John. I did. Oh, you called the wick early in the chat. Nice, John. Say I didn't. But what is Bud Light? It's not beer. It's, yeah, it's, you get used to drinking it, but ugh. Yellow Rose is the goat. Is that a beer? Texas? Great trading name, John Wick. That wouldn't be a bad Oscar Rhodes. It's a local beer. Nice. So many local breweries popping up. We have some great ones up here in Maine. Great local breweries. Not a joke, just an observation about wasted opportunity, costs, and how we hurt ourselves being petty. Go back to your. Tokyo Bulls, it could happen, yeah, 7. It could very well could happen. Oh yeah, I bet. Amelia in Denver, I bet you there's tons, yeah. I live in Kennebec County, KH. Sort of central Maine. I don't really want to say the town because Maine has such small towns. Although, if you guys really wanted to find me, you probably could. But I am lock and loaded, so don't mess with me. I'm just kidding. But not. I'm not kidding. Getting racked on a trade of 550K, that was 500. Oh no, Micah. Oh, they're down in Old Orchard Beach? Nice, KH. Sweet. Small world, man. Yeah, I'll probably just come back tomorrow on that account, Micah. I don't know what session you usually trade, but all right. Here comes the Tokyo Open. See what happens here. Old Orchard Beach, man. That place is starting to rock right now this time of year. It's dead all winter, but Old Orchard Beach is where all the degens go to party. I've done my share of partying down at Old Orchard Beach back in my younger days. Most snow I've seen, oh yeah, in feet, 7. In feet. I don't know. The most snow, uh, 3 feet, 4 feet in one storm. You visit them every year. Yeah, it's definitely a happening place during the summertime. I've definitely have ended up passed out in the back of a car before in Old Orchard Beach. Back when I was like in 20s. Back when I was in my 20s, so 20 years ago. This is my birthday month, guys. This is my birthday month. I am turning 41. Same Royal Trades? Nice. Back of a car, alone. 2 guys in the front, John. Thank you, Amelia. Cost. Thank you, guys. My birthday. Yes. June 17th. Pretty close. Yeah, mine's on the 13th. So That's pretty cool. GI crypto. It's on Friday the 13th this year. Yeah, thanks, man. Micah, yours is on the 8th. Lots of June babies in, you know. Getting out of this. Putting in this little harami here. You were born on Father's Day, 1984. Oh, interesting. Hey, Corey, the phone trader in the house. What's going on? Dude, I didn't know you had a YouTube channel. It popped up on my feed. I think I subbed. Corey, the phone trader. Check out Corey, the phone trader on YouTube. He's got a YouTube channel. My best friend was drunk at a college, parked in front of a dorm, and fell asleep in the back seat. The car was rear-ended. He got the DOI because his keys were in the ignition. Yeah. So John, the funny thing is about that. Down at Oil Ocean Beach when I was drunk, and we were all drunk, passed out in the car, and like some alley. The cops knocked on the door, and we were all just passed out. And luckily, they just said, "You know what? You guys going anywhere?" I said, "Nope." They said, "All right, stay put." And yeah, just let us sleep it off. So got lucky. So kind of put in this bit of a harami here. Didn't show up on purple, but that's why I ended up exiting the trade. So currently down 431 and 195, up 195 on this My Funded Futures funded account. And just got that payout on My Funded Futures. They withdrew it within, if you guys were tuning in earlier, they literally took it out within seconds. So yeah, Corey, man. Yeah, for sure. Like I was watching some of your videos. I liked it. I was watching one. I'm not sure if it you got your first payout or whatever, or and you had some cash and you were showing I think, I don't know if it was your girlfriend or wife or sister, or I don't know who it was, but yeah, I was watching that video the other night. It's cool. I was like, I didn't know this guy had a channel. Is your wife? Yeah, awesome. It's like, look, honey, all this degen trading actually turns into money sometimes. That was Yo Jim's mom. No red candles. I mean, it's still good. I still like to short. But yeah, currently down 431 on this take profit, 25k eval. Which is not great, but I mean, technically this wasn't a harami candle because it didn't close within the body of that body, so Does it take the whole sometimes? Sometimes 2/3? The whole thing. I always look for the whole thing, John. The whole candle. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks, Corey. Yeah, doing pretty well. To end last month and start this month, so with the payouts. So I'm really trying to keep my expenses low too. I kind of set myself a budget. Nice push down here. Hey, thank you, Butch. Yeah, it's crazy, huh? The other night we had almost 200 people. Had over almost, actually, we had like, I think we had 250 people watching. Pretty amazing. Yeah, Micah, that's what I kind of doing. I'm kind of setting a budget. I keep track, but sometimes I get in those take profit trader resets and those are expensive. And then I go, I could have bought five, you know? Oh, cool, guys. Yeah, sub to Corey, the phone trader, supporter of the channel. Seems like a cool guy. Good trader. Just, trying to grind it out like all of us. Super Impressed was here when you had about 30 people watching. Oh, thanks, Butch. Yeah. I definitely, hated the days where I was talking to nobody, like, no one in the chat. Like, it was insane. Talking to the wall. You sub too, Nico? Nice. Looking forward to my late night moment with Daryl. Listen to the interview while trying to sleep. In bed with Daryl. Yeah, I'm gonna have to watch that. I'm gonna have to listen to it at least. Yeah, Fred's been around since the beginning too. Woodchip's been around. Fred. There's a few of you that have been John, Amelia. I told you guys who the first person that chatted in my chat though was Joey Morgan. I was on all by myself. First time I set up a camera. So I just got the camera and I was testing out equipment. And Joey Morgan popped in the chat, and he was the first one to ever come into my chat. No, it wasn't Joom. Joom here. No, we've had well, as far as streamers that I know for streamers, it's been Joey Morgan's coming, Trading with Travis, and Methodical Man. Cove hangs out. That's pretty much it, but I think Nutty Bar is lurking. You can say hi, Nutty, if you want. I think he's lurking. Any streamers in here lurking? Yes, and Terry. We can't forget about Terry. Superstar Terry. My Fun of Future's host. Don't be shy. Oh yeah, Joker. Yeah, Joker. Oh, Futures Floor too. Joker and Futures Floor. Yes, for sure. Streamers. PW's here, but using the alt account. Hey, did you guys see what PW did? This got me some heat on my X account. If you guys want to follow me on X, so all of a sudden I wake up and I see like, what the heck is going on? Like Michael Batak is like responding to a tweet that I made in December 2024. And it was because Patrick Whelan screenshotted one of my tweets from December 2024 right here. Check it out. I was criticizing Dakota for because of the top step, like because they were all going into this. And I was like, what the heck is going on? Like, I woke up to a bunch of notifications, and I'm like, like I don't know what's happening. So I don't know. Keegan, yeah, Keegan saw it. Keegan was responding, but yeah, whatever. Publicity, right? I don't know. Anyways, you guys can follow me on X. I don't really do much of this stuff, but I usually post updates and things on for the channel, and sometimes I get a little outspoken, I guess, but whatever. Yeah, Semi gave me a shout out, right? I didn't get many followers from it though. All right, can I put in a harami and an inside bar? He's just gonna hate. You know me, I don't know what he's talking about because I know streamers get paid to promote them. Yeah, Keegan, so they like what happened is that like I don't know, like, you know, Top Step has gotten rid of most of their affiliates. So there's a few, but they want you to be like very exclusive to Top Step. So that's why I had said that, you know, because back in the day, affiliates, they did have affiliates promoting their Top Step brand. So it's not like I was making that up. And my thing was is that essentially they have influencers on YouTube still promoting Top Step. So on Top Step TV or whatever, they're still promoting Top Step. So there's still influencers doing it. That was my thing. That's what I was trying to say. But whatever. I should just keep my mouth shut. Stay in my lane. Yeah, some got the Lanks. That's right, Keegan. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, once they started Top Step TV, they got rid of the affiliates, which is probably going to happen with Tradeify, and some of the other companies that are starting their TVs. So it is what it is. But speaking of affiliates, I really appreciate you guys using my code PINE on my funded futures. Sound like 0 Day J. Drop my links. But yeah, appreciate you guys using my code PINE. If you guys haven't, if you've never used my funded futures, you can get 50% off for new users on any account. And yeah, I just got a payout tonight with my funded futures, and it was super fast. Also, Take Profit Trader, Pine all caps, which is my favorite prop firm, Take Profit Trader. And yeah, Pine on Bealonox and Apex. Currently, Apex is running their $100 lifetime activation fees on all accounts. So if you guys use those companies, then I appreciate the support. Yeah, I don't really have any links. You can just use my code PINE. The only link that you got to use is Tradeify because they won't give me a code. So you have to use the Tradeify link. You'll find it in the under my descriptions and the chats. It'll pop up, and use code June. So it's my birthday month, so why not? But yeah, use my Tradeify link. You gotta click on the link first, and then use the default code, and that's how I get credit. Yeah, they won't give me a code. Islana, yeah. I don't know why. Aya. Yep. They won't give me a code yet. I've tried. I've asked Brett. He referred me to someone else, and but yeah. But I got codes for everyone else if you like to help support my channel. Appreciate it. Now I still like Tradeify though. That's the thing. So I think they will eventually. I mean, the channel's growing, so eventually they're just gonna give me a code. You know, when you get real big is when, if you're like the size of like Alpine and Nutty and Patrick Whelan, is like those companies will give you incentives to affiliate with them. That's when you know you made it. But hey, I can't complain about the size of the channel growth. I mean, and so before I sign off, guys, smash the like button, use code PINE, and also next Thursday, so Thursday night stream, I'm planning on doing a 150K Take Profit Trader giveaway as soon as I get back to my regular computer. So we'll do a moose race that night, and stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna call it there, guys. I'm starving. Down 431 on this Take Profit Pro. I mean, not Pro, eval, and up 195 on this My Funded Future funded account. So off the first inside bar scalp. So appreciate you guys hanging out. Smash the like button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow night. All right, peace.